Hi, dear everyone. Today I try to introduce a special IML robot to you. This one is custom-made IML robot of true cavity bucket. The specialty is you can see here, different from the traditional standard IML robot. This one has the two jig for handle cleaning and assembly, and also this part is for the picking of the bucket. Let's come across. Let's come across this robot. You can see that this robot, it is two cavities. It is two cavities IML system for the robot. The turn right. You can see here. Here is the magazine. This part is the magazine of the robot. Let's have a look of the magazine of the robot. You can see two cavities. And we can see a close look of a little fly out. And here we can see another unique, different one. Let's come out first. Another special one is to have the wireless stacking unit. There's come out. The functional unit is here. This structure is designed for the assembly of the handle to the iron bucket as the pickup. So it is one of the most efficient solution for the production of IML with the bucket. For more solution of IML, please feel free to contact me. That's for today. See you. Bye.